worth talking about how bad drawing that card is. I'm sure you all know it by now, but J-Claws is a nice security blanket at least, because all of the minions that Czech Republic have been able to develop into these opening turns.
Jumping the way it's been going so far is tight calling. Now he's going to be a little bit more sticky with that 1-5. The Mega Sword down as well. Flame Tongue actually really helps it and provides a full board play.
Yeah, that Flame Tongue is super clutch in this position. They do have patches, which of course is a terrible draw. You could, even if they drew a Blood Cell Corsair, they'd be able to do the same thing with patches and